Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walgreens and we're here to do some deals for the week of the 25th through the 31st of August. I can't believe we're at the end of August. And we have a heat advisory today, so I came really early. And we also have a very important doctor's appointment today, so I also came really early. But of course, this won't be up till later in the day. So if you do watch it, I'm very appreciative of you. We're not going to be using any paper coupons. I did get a digital booster on this account for spend $35, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. Now, I did check some of the stock this morning, so hopefully that is correct on the app as in there. I'm picking up a few prescriptions today because the Rite Aid in this town is closed. It already is done, and they had transferred the prescriptions here, so maybe I'll get a booster. Fingers crossed. I don't know. But anywho, we're going to go in there and we're going to see what we can throw together just based on the stock and things like that. So, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. You basically just come with me while I go couponing, like with a friend. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're going to do is grab a household deal, and we're going to do this transaction first, and we're just going to pay with Walgreens cash, and we're going to get the register reward back, and we'll use that register reward on our next transaction. So we're going to start off by grabbing the Lysol laundry sanitizer. It is part of a promotion where it is buy or spend $15, get back a register reward, a $3 register reward. And we'll get the sanitizer for $7.29, and then we're going to get the air sanitizer also on sale for $7.29. Next, we're going to grab the Finish. Now, a lot of people are grabbing the bigger package of Finish. My store only has this 11 count pack of the Finish Ultimate. Originally, I thought the coupon wouldn't work for it, but the $2 coupon did come off for this, so that's even better. So for everything here, the total is $19.57 with a $2 digital for the laundry sanitizer, a $3 digital for the air sanitizer, and a $2 digital for the Finish. That's going to make our total $12.57. We can use $10 in Walgreens cash to pay because with any register reward deal, you can always use Walgreens cash to pay. So we'll get back that $3 register reward, making our total $9.57, which is a $10 savings, which I think is pretty incredible. So I'm really happy with that. So we'll take that $3 register reward and we're going to use it towards our next transaction. And we're going to grab the Dove body wash. I'm just grabbing one of each kind. The Dove body wash is on sale for $10 and it's buy two, get back $3 in Walgreens cash. So these are going to equal out to $20. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that'll make them $14. We'll get back that $3 in Walgreens cash, and that will make them $11. We'll submit our receipt to Fetch. We'll get back 5,000 points or $5 for spending $20, making both of these just $6 or $3 a piece, and they're normally $13. So that is a really, really good deal. And if you do this by itself, you can use Walgreens cash to pay because the verbiage is buy two, get back three. So if you ever have a deal like that, you can always use Walgreens cash to pay. If it says spend 10, get back $5 Walgreens cash, you cannot use Walgreens cash to pay by itself. So next we're going to grab some shampoo. The Dove shampoo is on sale for $4. Buy two, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. The store only had 2 left. That's all I need. But I'm also going to grab 2 of the men's. But if you can only find 2, these will be $8. We have a $2 digital coupon making them $6. We'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making them both just $1, which is better than the Dollar Tree. So we're going to grab them. But like I said, I'm doing this deal twice, and you absolutely can So grabbing 2 of the men's, these are $5 a piece, so they're $10. Use that $2 digital coupon, it'll make them $8. Get back 5, making them $1.50 a piece. But for all 4 of them together, the 4 of them will cost $18. We have a 3 off 3 digital coupon. I think we got it last week, and that $2 digital coupon, that'll make them $13. We will get back $10 because we're doing the buy 2, get 5 twice. So we'll get back $10, making it $3 for the 4 of them, which is an incredible price. But I'm going to pair the 4 of these with the body wash and my spend booster. So I know it's not a flattering picture, but this is everything that we're getting for the Dove scenario. It's going to equal out to $38. We have the 6 off 2 for the body wash, the 3 off 3, and the $2 off digital coupon. That'll make our total $27. We'll get back 10 for the shampoo. We'll get back 3 for the body wash, and then I'll also get back another 10 for my spend booster my spend booster. And that'll make them all $4, which is incredible. But we're going to submit our receipt to Fetch Rewards for the body wash and get back $5, making them all free and $1 moneymaker, which I think is a pretty good deal. So that's everything we're getting today. Let's go check out. Hopefully everything goes okay, and we'll take a look at the receipts and see how everything went.
All right, guys, so we're back in from Walgreens, and everything went really good except one thing. And I'm not really surprised because it can be really finicky. So anyways, I'll talk about that when we get to that transaction. So the first thing I did is I went and I grabbed my prescriptions. I did not get a booster, but something did print out, and I'm hoping it wasn't a booster, but it was blank. So, but that was at the pharmacy counter. Who knows how often that they change that? But you know, it was wishful thinking. So the first thing I did was the Lysol products and the Finish dishwasher tabs. So when I'm doing that transaction, I thought, well, the coupon isn't going to work for the 11 count because it's an 11 count. And then I got to looking at the coupon after my transaction because the coupon did come off. And the way it's worded, it should work for the ultimate. So I'm really happy about that. But I should have just paid attention to the coupon more efficiently. So anyways, we got the Finish for $4.99, the sanitizer for $7.29, and the air sanitizer for $7.29. So here is my receipt. So we got the $3 digital for the Lysol air sanitizer. We got a $2 digital for the Finish, and then a $2 digital for the laundry sanitizer. That made my total $12.57. I got back that $3 register reward that printed no problem. I paid $10 in Walgreens cash, so I only paid $2.57 out of pocket, and I did get back that $3 register reward. That makes the actual cost of these items $9.57, which isn't a massive money maker, but you know what? It's items that we use every day, and they're harder items to coupon for, I think. So I'm happy to get them all 3 for under $10 instead of spending like $10 on one item. So it's all how you look at it. So then the next thing I did is the Dove. And so I used the $3 register reward on the Dove. So with that transaction, I got 2 of the body wash, and I got 4 of the shampoos and conditioners, 2 men, 2 women's. So the only thing that happened with this transaction is that the 3 off of 3 Dove digital did not come off. So I will be contacting customer service about that because it should have come off. And so anyways, I did use the $3 register reward. So that's the first one here. There's the 6 off 2 Dove, and then the $2 off Dove. And so that makes my total 27 cents. Since I used the $3 register reward, the math is still the same because that $3 digital should have come off. So But I am going to contact customer service. But either way, the total for everything is $27 even. I ended up getting back $23.38 in Walgreens cash right there. Pretty cool, huh? So then I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards and I got back $5 on there as well, making the Dove products free and $1.38 moneymaker. So if you see me looking down in my videos, it's because I'm using the calculator on my watch instead of stopping the videos and redoing the math, trying to, you know, yeah. So we have $9.57 minus $1.38 for our moneymaker. It makes our items for everything that we got here today $8.19, which I think is pretty incredible considering everything that we got. And then I did not get a booster with this transaction, but I did get a 20% off coupon. So I hope I can use this next week because I haven't gotten one of these yet and it makes me really excited. So that is everything that I have for you today. One thing that I thought about in the store and I wanted to mention is one thing. A few years ago, I learned this little trick. Maybe 4 years ago, I learned this little trick that when we have our ad and it shows, like last week, it shows the Persil and it says Persil is on sale for $6.99 and you're going to get a $1 coupon or you're going to get a $2 coupon, and then it's buy two get three back or whatever the deal is. I don't remember. I think that was the deal last week. It said in the ad that we were going to get a digital coupon, and from what I seen, no one got it. Now, if you're genuinely going to get the Persil, give them a call or get on the chat and say, hey, I noticed in the ad there's not my digital coupon here there's not the digital coupon that the ad says I'm going to get. And in the past they've given you Walgreens cash to make up for that. I've done that a few times, not very many times because it doesn't happen very many times, but I've noticed this week and last week it says we were getting coupons and then we don't get them. And so if you're genuinely going to get those products, like the Dove, we were going to get a 5 off 2 and we got a $2 coupon, get on the chat or give them a call, whichever you prefer, and tell them, hey, the ad says I'm getting a $5 coupon. I didn't get it. Now, I know in the past you've been compensating in that. Is that something that you still do? Or I don't know, something like that. I don't know how to word it. But it was like 4 years ago I learned that trick. And every time I got on the chat with them, it worked. So I don't know. That's just a little tidbit from me to you. If you want to get the Dove and you don't have any coupons or what have you, there you go. So anyways, the 3 off 3 coupon didn't come off. With Walgreens, it's finicky, as we know. Walgreens is finicky. But if you have a coupon, say for 5 off of 2, and then you have a separate coupon that's 5 off of 2 and say it's Old Spice or Dove, then typically only one coupon will come off. I don't know why. Even though they're different coupons, for some reason, they don't both come off. So I don't know. I still have faith that it will happen, but it typically doesn't. So anyways, that's enough chit chat. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Stay cool out there if you're under a heat advisory, and I will see you guys all in the next video. There's someone standing right there. Bye, guys.